7.6 application. So word problems. So we're going to be setting up equations that are either going to be ratios or proportion, a fraction to a fraction, or more than one fraction. Well, more than two, I apologize. So if a truck driver drives 60 miles on 8 gallons of gas at the same rate, how many gallons of gas will it take him to drive 120 miles? So this is a ratio or proportion. So if it's 60 miles to 8 gallons, how many gallons, I don't know the gallons, will it take for 120 miles? So it's miles to miles, gallons to gallons. Or you could do gallons, miles, miles, as long as they line up. And then you just cross multiply. 60x equals 120 times 8. 960 divided by 60. 16 gallons. It's just double the amount. So there's different ways you can do it. When it's this easy, okay, it would take Sue 1.5 hours to rake the leaves. It would take Bob 2 hours. How long would it take if they worked together? So a work problem is a formula. Two people work together at different rates to complete one whole job. So this is the formula, and then you just put their different rates here. So now this is, I need to find the lowest common denominator and multiply all three pieces by the LCD. So my lowest common denominator of 2 and 1.5. 1.5 does not go into 2. 1.5 does not go into 4. It goes into 6 4 times. So 6 is my lowest common denominator. So let's multiply everything by 6, and don't forget the 1. So this was already 4x plus 3x equals 6, 7x equals 6. Six divided by 7. Gonna round that to 2 decimal places. Sometimes the answer will be left in fraction, maybe it'll be left in a decimal. Word problems are usually answered in the units the way that it was listed, so that's a decimal. But they're both correct. If 20 patients can be seen in 8 hours, how many can be seen in 3 hours? So we have a ratio, patients to hours. How many patients in 3 hours? Cross multiply. 60 equals 8x. So 7.5 is the answer, but we can't see half a patient, so we're going to say 7 patients, because these are humans. 2 brothers share a house. It would take the younger brother 45 minutes alone to clean the attic, older brother 30 minutes. What if they work together? How long would it take? Work problem. 2 people working together to complete one whole job. In minutes. Now I need the lowest common denominator of these. 45, 2 45s is 90, and 30 goes into 90. So multiply everything by 90. Don't forget the 1. 2x plus 3x equals 90. Combine my like terms. 90 divided by 5 is 18 minutes if they worked together at their different rates. Keep going. We have a painter that would take 6 hours to paint a room, another that would take 4. How long if they worked together? 2 people working together to complete one whole job in hours, 6 and 4. The lowest common denominator of 6 and 4 is going to be 12. I'm going to multiply everything by 12. 2x plus 3x equals 12. Divided by 5 is going to be 2.4 hours. Okay, next, if a 16-pound turkey feeds 18 people, how many people, I don't know the people, does a 4-pound turkey feed? Cross multiply. 16x equals 18 times 4, 72. Divided by 16. .5, so we'll say 4 people, because it's people, we can't have a half a person.